Hey guys, what's up? It's Podewali here. So today's video is going to be about water propagation of Iresine. These are beautiful partial shade loving plants. I love their pink stems with beautiful foliage. Also, they're easily available at your local plant nurseries. Also, I will be demonstrating how to transfer the cuttings into soil after they have developed roots. So keep on watching. Now let's talk about some technical stuff. First off, let's talk about nodes. Nodes are the bulgy structures that you see on the stem. These are important because aerial roots will grow from them. And here you can see some leaves coming out as well. So the stem portion that is between two nodes is called internode. They carry water and food from node to node. So we will have our cutting by making a 45-degree angle cut on the internode that is between the two nodes. So now we will make our 45-degree angle cut on the internode just like that. Very easy, right? Okay, so now you guys must be wondering why make a 45-degree angle cut? Why not make a straight one? What is she talking about? Well, the answer is you can make both sorts of cuts. But by making a 45-degree angle cut, you increase the surface area for water uptake. So that is why I prefer making a 45-degree angle cut. Okay, so now I'm going to take a cutting from the mother plant. Just going to make 45-degree angle cuts. You can use any pair of scissors, but make sure they are clean. You can also use the pruning shears. And now I'm going to take these cuttings. Okay, so now I'm going to place these cuttings into this water container over here. I've added tap water in it, and now I'm going to just adjust my cuttings in it. Now keep this container near a well-lit window that receives, enough sunlight, and within a week you will see visible roots. Okay, so few of the things you need to keep in mind. First off, just open the doors and windows for a couple of hours daily for fresh air and ventilation. Also, don't forget to change the water once a week. And once the roots have developed, just let the cuttings sit in water container for a couple of weeks, and after that you can transfer them into the soil. Okay, so now we transfer the cuttings to soil. For that, I'm taking 70% garden soil and 30% compost. I am using this spot with a lot of drainage holes at the bottom. I'm going to cover it up with some stones or old clay pot pieces. Now I'm going to mix the soil and will fill the pot halfway through with soil. And now I'm going to carefully place the rooted cuttings in it. Now I'm going to add more soil to cover it up. Now add water in it and let it pass through the drainage holes. Now keep this plant in partial shade and water it once every day in the morning. So I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also share it with your plant lover friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So that's all for now. Have a great day.